Okay students, this is about exercise 14.2 question number 4 and 5. So here you can see a power 4 minus b power 4 and remaining examples are p square plus 6p plus 8. Let us see first a power 4 minus b power 4. So students, here you can see the power is 4. So first we will convert into power as 2. So here a power 2 whole power 2. So 2 2s are 4. In the same way here also b power 2 whole power 2. So here this is a means what? A square. B means what? B square. So this is a square b square identity. So using the identity a square minus b square, using the identity of a square minus b square, so what is the expansion form is a minus b, a plus b. So here students, a is what? A square and b is what? B square. And here a means what? A square, b means b square. Okay, again expansion form is possible. This is a square plus b square. Expansion form is not possible here, but here you can see a square minus b square. So for the a square minus b square, again a minus b, a plus b, this expansion form will be formed, and here a square plus b square. This is your answer. So here a power 4 minus b power 4, when power 4 is given, so we will convert into as power 2. Okay, so 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Now a is a power 2, b means b power 2. So a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. A means a power 2, b means b power 2. So a square minus b square, a square plus b square. So here expansion form will not form. Here a square minus b square. So a minus b, a plus b, and a square plus b square. Now students, here you can see here p square plus 6p plus 8 here. So in exercise 14.2 first question is question number 1. So like this way, a square plus 8a plus 16. This way example number 1 was given. So there we applied the a plus b whole square identity, but here the first and the last terms are square number. But here you can see the last number is not a square number. So when the last term or first term is not given the square number, so we will apply the another method for doing the factorization. Okay, so here we will split the middle term. Okay students, how? So here this is 8, so 8 को भी multiply with the first term. So here if no numerical coefficient, then we will write 1. So 8 ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. Last term and first term we will multiply. So 8 ones are 8. Here 8 ones are 8. Here this is variable p, so write p. Okay. So 8 ones are 8. We will multiply first term and the last term. Okay. The 8 multiply 1 to 8p. Now here the middle term is 6. So here 8p ऐसे multiply करेंगे जिसका sum 6 आएगा, है ना. तो 4 2s are 8. सो हम ऐसे स्प्लिट अप करेंगे मिडल टर्म को कि 8p को ऐसे स्प्लिट अप करेंगे, है ना. तो 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, है ना. मल्टीप्लाई करना है, उसका सम 6 होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर 4p लिख दो, यहाँ पर 4p लिख दो. सो दिस इज 4 2s are 8 एंड इन दोनों का सम करो तो 6 आना चाहिए. तो 4 + 2 6. ओके. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ 8 we will write 4p plus 2p instead of 6. Instead of 6 we will write 4p and 2p. So 4p plus 2p, and the last term we will write as it is. Now 4 terms are formed, so we will make the group. Okay, first group and second group. Here 1p square and 4p. So p we take common and remaining we will write in the bracket. So from p square we take p as common, so p will be remain. दिस इज प्लस साइन 4p में से p कॉमन लिया तो 4 विल बी रिमेन, एंड ईयर प्लस 2p plus 8, तो 2 we take कॉमन, देन p plus 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. So p plus 4 are same, तो we write common bracket p plus 4 and the remaining p plus 2. Okay, so this is middle term split method. Okay, when square numbers are not given, when first and the last terms have not square number, so we will apply this method. Okay, in the same way here also students, p square plus 6p plus 8, I think it is same. There is some change, let me see it. It is q square minus 10q. Here I am changing. This is q square minus 10q plus 21. Okay, let's see here students, what are we going to do over here. So this is q square minus 10q plus 21. So here 21, तो 21 को भी multiply with first term. Here if it is no numerical coefficient, so it is 1. So 21 ones are 21. 21 ones are 21. Now 21 को ऐसे split up करना है that sum, this subtraction will come 10. Okay, तो 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. Okay, and 7 plus 3 it becomes 10. Okay, और ये माइनस है तो दोनों माइनस कर दो, ये भी माइनस, ये भी माइनस, और ये क्यू और ये भी क्यू. ओके, नाउ माइनस माइनस प्लस, 7 plus 3 10q minus 10q, तो माइनस 10q विल कम. ओके, तो माइनस 10q की जगह पर वी विल राइट माइनस 7q एंड माइनस 3q. तो फर्स्ट टर्म वी विल राइट एज इट इज q स्क्वायर, देन माइनस 10q की जगह पर वी विल राइट माइनस 7q minus 3q plus 21. Now there are 4 terms, we will make the group of 2. Okay, q square minus 7q, तो q we take common, then remaining q square में से we take q as common, तो q will be remain, this is minus sign, then 7. Okay, here minus 3 will come as common, then q, and this is minus sign, and 3 7 ja 21. Now we can see these two brackets are same, so q minus 7 and q minus 3. This is your answer. This is called middle term split method. When the square numbers are not given, na, here 21 is not a square number, so here we will apply the middle term split method. Here also if you want to apply, you can apply here also. When the square number are also given, you can apply this method. If you want to see, you can see here students, here a square plus 8a plus 16, so there we applied a plus b whole square identity. But if you want to apply this middle term split method, you can apply students. See here a square plus 8a plus 16, so 16 here, if it is no numerical coefficient, write 1. So 16 ones are 16, तो 16 ones are 16. Now 16 को ऐसे split up करो, the sum will come 8a, है ना, तो this is a, तो right here 16a. Okay, so 4 4s are 16, 4 4s are 16, and 4 plus 4 8. So this is a, this is a. So in place of 8a we will write 4a. So a square plus 8a की जगह पर 4a plus 4a, 4a plus 4a, and the last one is plus 16. Now we have 4 terms, so we will make the group. Here a square plus 4a, so we take a as common, then from a square we take a as common, then a plus 4 will come out. A plus 4 will means we will write in the bracket. Here 4a plus 16, the 4 we take as common, then a plus 4, है ना, 4 we take common, then a will be inside, then plus 4 4s are 16. Now a plus 4, so common brackets are a plus 4, then here also a plus 4. So where there we have, here we have applied the identity. So instead of identity, you can also use the middle term split method also. In the same way students, here also you can see p square plus 6p minus 16. So here 16 minus 16, so 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16 students. So here you can write 16. Now here 6, तो 16 को ऐसे स्प्लिट अप करो कि जिसका आंसर 6 आए, तो 8 2 16 बेटा, 8 2 16, 8 2 16, और 8 minus 2, 8 minus 2 6, और बिगर नंबर साइन प्लस है तो बिगर नंबर प्लस और स्मॉलर नंबर माइनस. हियर दिस इज p, तो here variable p right. ओके, देन प्लस 6p की जगह पर प्लस 8p और माइनस 2p हम लिखेंगे. सो p स्क्वायर प्लस 8p माइनस 2p है ना, इसकी जगह पर वी विल राइट दिस टू टर्म्स एंड लास्ट माइनस 16. नाउ वी विल मेक द ग्रुप स्टूडेंट्स. p स्क्वायर प्लस 8p, तो वी टेक p एज कॉमन एंड रिमेनिंग वी विल राइट इन द ब्रैकेट. p स्क्वायर में से p कॉमन लिया, देन p प्लस 8. Here minus 2 will be taken as common, then this is p and here plus, तो here means कि bracket के before minus है, so when we make bracket तो ये minus become plus and 2 8s are 16. Now you can see these two brackets are same, p plus 8, p plus 8, two brackets are same, so we write common bracket p plus 8 and this is p minus 2. This part is very important students. Okay, thank you.